Welcome back everyone. In today's video we will see how to create a dynamic search bar in Excel. Suppose you have a customer database and you are looking for some specific information. Then you will probably use Ctrl F or apply filters on headers. While these methods are acceptable and widely used, but these could be time consuming and not always efficient, especially if your database is large. So we will discuss and create a search bar that will enhance your data interaction, making the process much more streamlined and effective. Let me first copy and paste the headers and format it. Now let's enable the developer tab. In case it is not visible here, you can enable it like this. Just right click anywhere in the menu bar and select Customize the ribbon option. Select this developer checkbox and click OK. Now you will notice the developer tab in the menu bar. Next, navigate to the developer tab, click on Insert and choose Text box from ActiveX controls. This text box is going to be the focus of our dynamic search bar. Right click on the text box, go to Properties. From this long list, set the value of linked cell parameter to the cell where you want the search term to appear. In our case, let's make it K4. This ensures that whatever you type in the search bar gets reflected in that designated cell. Now let me customize the appearance of the search bar by inserting a rectangle shape around the ActiveX box and insert a search icon from the Insert tab. You can further customize and modify as per your preferences. Alright, let's focus on the main element of this tutorial now, the formula that dynamically filters your data based on the search term. Let me first write the formula. This formula searches for the text in the first customer ID column, and if matches are found, then all the records of that customer ID are also displayed. Let me try a couple of customer IDs and see how it responds. Underscore 005, underscore 010. So, as you can see, it is responding very well. And now let's understand this formula step by step. In this formula, K4 is the linked cell where your search term is stored, and B3 to F152 represents the range of your dataset. The search function looks for a specific substring within a larger text string. In our case, it searches for the term you typed in the search bar in all the cells of the specified data range. This function returns the position of the text, and if the text is not found, it will return an error. For example, if I input 3 letters JAM that are present in words James and Benjamin, the search function will return 1 here because it is in the first position in case of James. and 4 in the case of Benjamin since it is at the 4th position. And for the rest of the cases where there is no match, the search function has returned errors. Alright, the next ISNUMBER function checks if a cell contains a number or not. It will return true if the value is a number, and if it is not, a false value will be returned like this. This is a crucial step because we want to identify where the search item exists, and it is identified wherever this function has returned true values. Finally comes the filter function. It filters our data based on the true or false results which we got from the ISNUMBER function. It selects the rows where the search term was found and displays the corresponding data. Filter function takes 3 arguments: array, include, and if_empty. The first argument array is the source data to filter, and the second argument include performs logical tests and generates true or false values, as we just observed from the binary output of the ISNUMBER function. The third argument if_empty is optional, and it specifies the value to return if no matches are found. Let me play around this a little bit and search other values as well. Alright, so far we have filtered data exclusively in the first column. However, our objective is to search the terms of all the columns in our dataset. So let me quickly extend this capability by adding search and ISNUMBER functions to all the columns in the single formula connected by the plus sign. In summary, these 3 functions make our dynamic search bar very effective. Alright, now it's time to test the search bar. Type a term in the search bar and wow, Excel is dynamically filtering the data based on your input, which is wonderful. Alright, you might be wondering why we are using an ActiveX text box instead of directly searching in a cell. The reason is simple: responsiveness. If we use a cell for searching, Excel won't display the results until the entire text is typed, followed by pressing the enter key. If we use a cell for searching, Excel won't display the results until the entire text is typed, followed by pressing the enter key. Let me type the word James, press enter, and now you see it is not very effective. And with the ActiveX text box, the magic begins as soon as you start typing. Every single letter you type triggers the Excel to dynamically display the results. No need to press the enter, it's instantaneous and smooth. Try it out at your end and you will appreciate the difference. One last point, let's enhance the visibility of our search results. We can achieve this by applying conditional formatting. First, select the range where your data resides. Then navigate to the conditional formatting, choose highlight cells rules, and then select text that contains option. In this dialog box, give the cell reference of the search bar linked cell, which is K4, and then select the color theme from the drop-down and click OK. Now this will highlight every occurrence of the text you typed in the search bar, making it easy to spot the matches throughout your data. The only drawback is that if nothing is entered in the search bar, all the values will be highlighted like this. So with this we come to the end of this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel insights, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Happy learning. Thank you very much.